Hey everybody, it's Davita with WTI, and I wanted to show you these absolutely gorgeous, minimalistic yet modern chairs. These are the CangLong mid-century modern chairs. If you're looking for chairs for your dining room or perhaps for your living room or even your office space, then I would really recommend these chairs. What I like about them is the sturdy material that they're made out of. They are made out of a special type of plastic that is extremely durable and easy to clean, which is always great for when you get spills. Another thing I really like about them is that they are really great for small spaces. If you live in a suite or if you're just looking for that more simplistic style, then these chairs would go well with all of that type of decor. I love using them here at my dining room table, but I also use them as a chair for my office, and I find them to be super comfortable. So if you're looking for a new chair for your home, then I would recommend these, and that's my point of view.